Hello guys, welcome back again to this tutorial. So in this video I'm going to take you through the best way on how you can use your computer or laptop as a phone, whereby you can make a call straight away from your computer. You can send messages from your, you can manage your phone straight away from your computer. This will be something very simple. Let me just try to make something, just a simple call from here. And so this is the number that you're having right from here, and I just want to make a call.
Dear customer, your account balance is so incomplete. Please recharge with dial *155# for airtime and pay later. Thank you.
Alright, so guys, let us go straight to the best way on how we can handle this. So guys, if you are not yet subscribed to this channel, please make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell for more videos. Now what you need to do is you go straight to your browser and then you shall type this. Now what you will do straight, once it opens, we have option. If you already have an account, you can go straight and then you click on your account and you sign in. So if you have not yet, you can create a new account by clicking create one, and just as the normal step. So I already have an account, so what I'll just need to do straight is put my email. Once you are done with giving the right email, so you click the next and then you provide your password. Sign in. And so once you are done, you will be taken to this part where you need to scan. Now what you do straight, go straight to your phone and go to Play Store and look for link to Windows. Then from this you'll download that link to Windows on your phone, and then after that you'll open it and click on link your phone and PC, which is right just from there. So after that, just click to continue. Now this will provide us a scan option, so we shall just need to scan this straight from our laptop, and this will help us link our phone to our PC. And so let me just take a moment, and then after you pairing, we shall have something of such kind. And so we shall just click to continue straight from there. Now the next step that we shall need to do is to provide the permission to allow the procedure to move on. So we shall need to provide all these permissions to allow the access on our PC. Then we shall need also to allow this link straight to improve the functionality of this process. So after you all doing this, now the next thing that we have to do is, in case we want to make a call or we need to provide a call, we have to enable Wi-Fi connection between our phone and the PC. So after all this, now if you want to make a call, we need also as well to provide a Bluetooth connection between the phone and the PC. So we shall just click to get started right from this. So this means that even though I leave my phone, or if my phone is within and provided it is connected, we can as well use laptop instead of using the phone. So what we shall need to do straight from here, we shall just need to connect the Bluetooth in case we are to make a call. So we need to allow this option to work between the PC, and after this is just like pairing. And so once you have done pairing, this will allow us to have access to dial options and to look for the contacts. And so let me just try to make a call straight away from here, and we'll see what this can do. So from here you can dial the number, you can make a call, you can do anything, you can send messages, you can as well check for the photos. So this is the number I'm having. Let me just try to make a call, and you can see the call is going through via the laptop. And still on the same way, someone can as well call you directly from his or her phone straight away to your computer. This is just something which is like normal call when comes someone calling you via your phone. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Hope to see you next time. Please don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to turn on the notification bell, and check on the link in this video description for more videos, and see you next time.